Hello, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to discuss the difference between CD IELTS and pen and paper based IELTS. The CD IELTS is computer delivered IELTS. The format for both the exams are similar. The way we have been taking so far the pen and paper based, similar format has been there for computer delivered IELTS. Marking is also 100% same. So where's the difference? The difference is basically in listening module. In pen and paper based examination, you are given 10 minutes to transfer your answers on the answer sheet, whereas in computer delivered test, you have to type at the same time when the listening is going on. By the same time you find the answer of the question. You are just given extra 2 minutes to look through all the answers that you have mentioned. Another aspect, the question that should be there right now: who should take CD IELTS? So CD IELTS is for those people who have already been taking this pen and paper based exam, but because of poor handwriting, their handwriting is illegible, cannot be comprehensible by the examiner, and every time in writing module they just get 5.5 and do not meet the criteria of required band of 6 in writing for study visa programs. So you have this opportunity. If you believe you are very poor in handwriting, you are not able to make in writing this particular module of IELTS, just go for CD IELTS. Second, it is also for those who are very good at typing. They prefer to type, they're well accustomed to it also, and they type at speed. So guys, this is for you. You can also go for CD IELTS. Now moving on to the upsides and downsides. The upsides of CD IELTS includes, the very first thing is that slots are available. You can book anytime. Second, the result, which is very quick, just within 5 days to get the result. Third is these places are less crowded. So if you feel you get panicked with the crowd of IELTS centers, this is the right opportunity to go for and the right idea to book for this test. And the last is that in this kind of test, which is CD IELTS, the screen is also bigger, so you will be having much familiarity of the way of getting the words clear when it's there just in front of you. Whereas the downsides, in CD IELTS, while having the writing module, everyone types and people type at speed, so you might get distracted by that time. Second, the timer is not there. You might not know at what time the screen gets locked. And the third drawback, which I believe the CD IELTS has, is there's no extra time. The last moment changes cannot be done the way we can do with pencil and eraser in our pen and paper based IELTS. I hope you have gone through the upsides and downsides really well. If you still have some doubts, you can listen to the video again or just mention in the comment box. I'll get back to you. Thank you. Bye bye.